And turning back to weather, where we are already seeing a busy morning here as this fall storm is impacting California. Right now here in Bakersfield, it's windy and rainy to begin your Tuesday. Sustained winds around 14 miles per hour coming from the north. Quite a bit of cloud coverage as the storm system is coming through. Earlier this morning, just about 30 minutes ago, we had a gust reported of 25 miles per hour. So you could very well encounter some leaves in the road, twigs possible, any sort of debris in the roadways as we have quite a bit of wind activity. And of course, the rain is the big story. On the radar over the past several hours, that strongest band of rain has been impacting us here in the valley, starting to move over into the mountain communities, and we do expect widespread rain from this storm system. And the high peaks of Kern County, above 6,000 feet elevation, will get some snowflakes from this storm. It is cool enough to bring snowflakes, again around 6,000 feet plus. Quite a bit of snow expected. We do have a winter storm warning in effect for the high peaks of the Sierra Nevada just to our north. So quite a bit of activity expected over the next couple of hours. As you're heading outside this morning, this is paused for you now at 7 a.m. Again, quite a bit of rain expected in all of our neighborhoods. Around 7 o'clock, the heaviest rain likely to be falling over in eastern Kern in our mountain and desert neighborhoods. But again, likely everybody getting some form of some soaking rain from this storm system. Could very well see some redevelopment of some showers or even a few thunderstorms into the afternoon. Again, this is sending in quite a bit of cool air, so thunderstorms not out of the question through the afternoon. Those tend to bring, as you know, some heavier bands of rain and some gusty winds if we were to get any storms. So quite a bit of activity here for today. The good news is this is relatively fast moving. So today is really the day to watch for the most activity, but it will bring quite a bit of impact. As you can see, futurecast rain totals from this system could be very significant for us. It is much needed, as you know. We haven't had a good soaking rain in quite a while. Here in the valley neighborhoods, we're looking at anything between a half to 3/4 of an inch. Heavier totals over in our mountain towns, up to an inch possible of rain. And also for the desert, Mojave checking in a chance for an inch of rain from the storm system. Keeping a close eye on the KRV, specifically the burn scar areas. National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for those zones up in the Kern River Valley. The main impacts from that, of course, in the burn scar areas is debris flow from the burn scar different areas up there. In the canyon, specifically on the 178, rock slides are a concern, and then flooding in low-lying or poor drainage areas. So a lot to keep an eye on here for Tuesday. But again, as you can see on the Super 7-day forecast, by tomorrow, a couple of clouds and cooler air or cooler temperatures will hang on. But today is really the day to watch for that precipitation. We do not expect this storm system to hang on past Thursday, and we are warming up through the weekend. So really today, very busy. The rest of the forecast looking much better for us. But we'll keep a very close eye on that radar for you, bring you the latest both on air and online. But again, if you're heading out the door anytime soon, grab that umbrella, grab a jacket, make sure that your windshield wipers are working.